Well, the Home app is now finally available in a proper way for One UI 7 and for the S25 Ultra. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find it, and it's also interesting to know that maybe a certain fruit company, like, remember when we tested this back in the days when it was a beta APK lick one, and they got it inside a certain smell of a fruit, like maybe this phone here is gonna be a match in terms of animation compared to a certain phone company. Now, okay, no pun intended, but an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Anyway guys, enjoy the One UI Home more easily. You can change arrangement of the home screen, the app screen, the folders, you can rotate your pages. So, let me just save you all that reading, and I'm going to show you where you can get it. So apparently this is now straight from my redesigned Good Lock. So how do we get here, guys? If you didn't really watch my video, then just go and watch the updated Good Lock, because besides the new fancy animation, Good Lock really changed. You have a lot of tabs here, there are really some nice features, and Home app will appear under the makeup. When you click on information, it will be a redirect to the Samsung Galaxy Store where you can download it, and then boom, from here we're starting the new Home app. And I covered this quite extensively, so now I'm just gonna show you some cool things. And the first thing I'm gonna start is just enabling it. Alright, see here guys, this is my main home screen. Okay, now I'm going to switch the home screen and see what's going to happen next. And what happens next is just one of the things that you can do with this new Good Lock. Yeah, there is something called the do-it-yourself home screen, and from here you can go crazy and do whatever you want. But in case you don't like this, guys, there is a proper way for you to engage with Home app, and not a lot of people know this. When you go inside the settings, like just the normal home screen settings, down below there's gonna be a button called More Customization. This will launch Home app. Alright, now you don't need to go inside Good Lock to access Home app, and from here you can go inside and just boom, switch this thing off, and now you're gonna be back to your standard things. And this is here just for the start, because we have the standard app icon settings with the titles or without the titles. We have the options to control the background blur, like in case you don't want any background blur, we can just go and do this. Now I am a person that will like my blur, or simply just go with stock. You can change all the grids, you can see plenty of options, by the way, favorites, the app screen grid, the folder screen, and yeah, also this thing called the pop-up folder that I don't really like so much, but hey, now you click it and then the folder just pops. And of course you then have also the large folder. So you say you have a small folder, click here guys, put in large, boom, you now have a large folder, and you can go inside and even make more customizations. So you can have also like a large folder, but also then this folder can be a pop-up folder. So again, you can see that the combinations are really nuts. You can do pretty much what you want, like unlimited control to your home screen. The task changer is back with a slim list that is here, but also guys with the vertical list. I know some people are fans, and you have of course also the grid, returning also with the mini mode. This was the mini mode, okay, this is now the normal mode. So there are plenty of nice features that you can go and explore. A lot of the features were there before, but there are some new things like the Edge panel. So now you can just go crazy, and you can put so many apps on your Edge panel like this. You can just make it be so big if that's your thing. Now you can put all your favorite apps there, and then not only there, but you can also scroll them. Of course, you have the option to backup and restore your settings if that's your thing, and you can also try to tweak the share manager. But guys, I know everybody's here just for one thing and one thing only, mainly, and this is the gesture setting, because inside we do have gesture emotion. And with the plenty of settings that we've seen before, we have home gesture animation tuning. And right now, guys, I'm gonna go to the classic one. So this is like the standard old boring classic one. And people were saying, yeah, like this is better. And maybe this is, yeah, really better in terms of consistency. A lot of folks on the internet are saying that when you go to elegance, right, it's going to get so nice, so smooth that, yeah, maybe One UI 7 and the S25 Ultra and the oldest like the S24 and 3 potentially can rival this company. Hey, let's see, I mean, this is just a joke, but you never know, right? We have also dynamic, they're very, very quick, you can see. And guys, we have also other options like the suite. So this is going to be really for the days where you don't have to do any kind of work, like no lag, no stutter, no hurry, everything so chill and so really slow. And then you have simple tuning. So let's say you want to feel fast, boom, I mean, yeah. Imagine you're like a OnePlus 13 guy, you buy all the latest Chinese phones, you want to get full power and nice animation. this is it, this is this thing for you. Or then you go full emotional and this is, yeah, like you don't really have to hurry and stuff like this. You pretty much get the point, like Samsung is giving you the full control. So for now guys, I'm just gonna stay classic. I need some time to assess this and of course do some animation videos against the iOS 18.3. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, I got it on my iPhone. And guys, if this is not enough for you, then you can click and go inside the advanced tuning, and here you can check my other videos. Here you probably can spend between 1.5 years to 2 years to just get the best setting out there, but now you get the point with this home app update. And remember that you can go and access directly from the stock settings. Samsung, I beg you, integrate home app on every goddamn phone you're selling, because again, it's a feature, and maybe just put it there. Maybe people don't need to use it, but make this button appear everywhere, so then maybe those phones can really stand a real chance. Again, this and Chinese companies as well, in terms of consistency and very smooth animation that you can do 200 times per day without any lag. And if you have liked this video, you might want to check my previous one where I'm using Luma Fusion to compare the S25 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra 8 Elite versus 8 Gen 3, rendering speed, 4K, 10-bit, HDR, 60 FPS, AVC or HEVC, you name it guys. Stay safe, VST over and bye.